Hello and assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I will explain you how to increase your video quality from this to this. So without further ado, let's get start the video. Go to the Chrome browser and search vMake Video Enhancer. Open the first link and create your free account. Then upload your low quality video. You will see how this tool is improve your video. Simply download your HD video. Here is your final result. I hope this video is helpful for you. If you like this video, do like, share and subscribe Lizomind.